Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a natural hair video. I'm going to be showing you my secret method to take your hair or your child's hair from super dry or matted to nice, soft, and moisturized using this secret concussion. And as I said, this can be used for adults and children. Alright family, so here are the things you're going to need. First, you're going to need a bowl. So the first ingredient is going to be coconut oil. Coconut oil does not only moisturize, but it also has antimicrobial property, which is great for your scalp. It has properties that grows the hair, and it also has that moisturizing effect. Alright, so I'm just using a large scoop of coconut oil. The next thing we're going to need is our softy grease. And as you can see here, it has vitamin E in it. Vitamin E is also great for hair growth. If you haven't seen my previous video about all the vitamins you're going to need for your natural hair journey, please check the description box to check out that video. The next thing here is my virgin hair fertilizer. This is also very helpful, especially if you have dry scalp or dandruff. It provides moisture and it also helps with hair growth. Alright, so the next thing we're going to need here is our aloe vera growth oil. This is actually from my brand, named Lux. This oil is made of a mixture of 16 essential and carrier oils to help your hair grow. And yes, for those of you who have been asking, the oil is coming back. Alright, so this is all we're going to be using for today's mixture. So then what you want to do is grab your bowl and pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Alright, so it's been about 30 seconds, so I'm just going to take it out and mix it. As you can see here, I still have some solid. That's because it wasn't in the microwave for long. You don't have to leave it there until it liquefies. You just need the oil to warm up a little bit to where you can mix it up like this. So this is our mixture. It is all ready to go. So this is what Nadia's hair looks like right now. This is a hairstyle that I did from about 2 weeks ago. It was a cute little, 3-part hairstyle with the sides braided. This is what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like now. Her hair is dry. It has been a few weeks and it just needs a little bit of tender love and care. Alright family, so this is Nadia's little fro. Her hair has gotten much thicker and healthier, but she is not happy, y'all. Nadia used to love wash days, especially when she was younger, but now she does not like it at all. It's just not her favorite days, especially the bigger and longer her hair gets. Anyway, let's move on to washing her hair. So a lot of you are going to ask me what shampoo I use. Sometimes I use Cream of Nature, but most times I use the Aveeno body and hair wash shampoo. So here she is playing with the water right before I wash her hair. This is just me bribing her so that she's happy during the hair wash. Alright, so this is pretty self-explanatory. All I do is lather her hair with the shampoo for the first time. The first time is usually hard to really get it to look like this or to, get the dirt out because it's really dirty. So you just have to do it a few times. Most times I end up doing it 3 or 4 times to get it to look nice and white and foamy like this. And then I just grab a little bowl and I take the water and rinse her hair out. So this is her hair after it's been washed. If you guys know anything about my hair shrinks a lot, and so does Nadia's hair. And this is what it looks like right now. So all I'm going to do now is take our concussion right here and start to apply it. There is no specific way to do this. You can part the child's hair little by little in little sections. You can just grab the grease and rub it. The main goal is to get the entire hair and the scalp nice and moisturized. This is going to help you brush or comb the hair, which I suggest you comb it. This is going to help you style it. This is going to help you braid it. And this is going to last for a few weeks, especially if you braid the child's hair right away. The moisture is going to stay in for a while until it's time to do the next hairstyle. So that's what you're going to see me doing here. Alright family, so this is Nadia's hair after the concussion has been applied to her hair. you're going to see that it looks a little white, but that's because once again there is coconut oil in here, and a lot of the other greases are solid at room temperature. So we took a little break after I applied the oil. Nadia had her lunch, she played around a little bit, and then we got back to doing her hair. So you'll see here that her shirt changed as well. So the whiteness you see here is not residue, it's just the oil or the mixture. Alright, so this is what her hair looks like. It looks nice, soft, as you can see here. I'm pulling on it. It doesn't look dry. It looks moisturized. There's a lot of oil in her hair. And the first night when the child goes to bed, or if it's you, when you go to bed, you're going to see that it's going to be really messy because you're going to see some oil on the pillowcase or on your satin hair wrap. That's just the residue from the oil, at least the one that didn't soak into your hair. That's just that on the pillow or your hair tie, but that's very, very normal. Anyway, this is what her hair looks like. Now it's a little bit more manageable, or I should say a lot more manageable. This is how I keep her hair moisturized. This is how I keep my hair moisturized. And this is one of my biggest secret recipes for hair growth and length retention. So I wanted to do this really cute, unique hairstyle. So I went to Google and I looked up little girl's hairstyle, and I found this hairstyle. I really liked it. It requires a lot of rubber band, and I ended up doing it. But after doing it, I saw the look on Nadia's face. I wasn't comfortable because it looked like it was really tight, and I took it out right away, and I ended up just twisting her natural hair in these tiny little twists. That way I can put it up like this as you're seeing it here. She can wear it down, she can wear some up, some down, and it also lasts a long time. So yes, the rubber band was not it. I took it out and I did this hairstyle, and she had a bigger smile on her face, as you can see here. I actually really like this hairstyle. And this is also another way that you can style the child's hair. Just hold it up in one big ponytail or a bun, and it still looks nice and moisturized, and it's not dry at all. Alright family, that is it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Instagram. That is it for today's video. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.